How to share Google Drive link to WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily share your Google Drive link to WhatsApp. Open up Google Drive first and find the file or folder that you want to share. It's quite easy, so let's just head over to our files and then tap on this random folder. I've got this picture called photos, this folder. All I'm going to do is, let's say if I want to share this entire folder, I'm going to go back and tap on the three lines. Then from here, you can find the share option. And once you tap on share, you can add people here, but if you want to copy link, you're going to have to tap on manage access and then tap on the copy link option, or under general access, you can change it and make sure that it's anyone with the link. And then the permission is set to viewer if you just want them to view your pictures, or editor if you want them to be able to add and delete photos on the folder. I'm just going to keep it on viewer and then copy link from the top right corner. Now I can just go back and open up my WhatsApp, then go to the chat to share the link. So I'm going to go ahead and open this chat. I'm going to go down here and then share this link, paste it here, and then tap on send. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.